In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your O2 sensor on your Acura MDX. In this case, we're going to be replacing the downstream front. Let's get started. Moving on to the bottom of the vehicle, we're going to locate the sensor right on this area. We're going to get to the connector first. So for that, we're just going to take the connector off, unplug it. Next, we're going to remove the O2 sensor. I'm going to be using a 22mm wrench. I'm going to get on it and loosen it. Once you have it loose, just take it out by hand. Yeah. And here it is. And now we're ready to install the new sensor. We want to make sure that none of the anti-seize gets on the sensor. It should all be on the threads. And also, there is a crush washer here. When we get it on, you just want to make sure it's tight and snuggled. Start it up by hand. When you do, try to spin the wire so it doesn't get tangled. Once you have it bottomed out, use your 22mm wrench, snug it. And now we're ready to plug our sensor in. Simply line it up with the connector and make sure that you hear a click.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.